We are in R747 on floor 14 and I'm going to do a tour. The swimming pool's just out there. And here you have it. We have a lovely wardrobe here. And then in here we have the bathroom. It's very compact, but actually it's fine, does what it needs to do. I've been in ships with similar sized bathrooms. There is actually a safe with some more storage here. There's lots of storage. And then in here we've got the separate bed configuration. Got a lovely window with a view.
When you come back on board, you and your personal belongings will be security screened. Certain items won't be brought on board, so please check with reception.
Lovely area to get ready. There's lots of space. It's actually really lovely. Really like that.
P&O Cruises is committed to reducing